Alright, what is up, all you gorgeous people? I'm here to bring you guys an Orchid update. Orchid is finally starting to show signs of life. So let's delve into the technical analysis of what I see happening in the near future, and what I see could be the potential for Orchid long term. So Orchid, let's start with the macro picture here, is actually a coin that I bought way back when, somewhere way up over here when I shouldn't have. I remember, yeah, Orchid's pumped like 13% in the last 24 hours. Orchid was like one of the first coins I bought when I just started getting into crypto. And I bought it somewhere up here. And it's gone down quite a bit since then. And I was getting the fear that Orchid was a dead project, given how far down it had been falling. And it was hovering around the 22 cents, which is an extremely critical range for Orchid, because there was historical support there. If it would have fallen below, that would have been very no bueno for Orchid. But thankfully, we pumped above, and we pumped above significantly. So I think this is actually extremely significant for Orchid. And let me explain why. So, when it comes to the daily, guys, we're above all our EMAs, the 20, the 50, and the 100 EMA on the daily. That's very bullish. Like, look at the last time, so the question now is, will we stay above? But whenever we dip below our 20 and our 50 last, it was just nothing but downtrending, and now we're above it. So I think what the most likely scenario is, we're gonna fall down and retest one of our EMAs, and then perhaps go for a second leg up. And I think we're likely to fall down and perhaps go for a second leg up, because this is such a bullish breakout, and altcoin season may be in the beginning stages. This is extremely bullish, guys. Like, look, even on the 4-hour, we're above the 200, the 100, the 50, and the 21 EMA. Like, let's take a look here at the price action. Last time we shot above all our EMAs, which was this. Now, I believe we had like a Binance listing or a Kraken listing, something big, so it makes sense. But guys, we can clearly see how once we went below like our 100 or 200, that was it. It was nothing but downtrending. So there's definitely been times before where we peak above our major EMAs, the 100, 200, and then we, stay there for a bit and then fall below. So we'll definitely have to see us stay above our EMAs. But bottom line, this is very, very good news, because we were hovering right above significant support. If it would have dropped down below, that would have been very bad news for Orchid. Like, I don't know, I was starting to think that this thing had no more life in it, but I think this is the last. It's not dying quietly. So we'll see, guys. I think the most likely scenario here is that we fall down and retest one of our EMAs. Again, like I'm saying, you see right now we're riding the 20 EMA on the hourly. So we'll have to see how far we fall down. But if we fall down on one of our EMAs and hold it as support and then start to move up, that's going to be extremely, extremely good news for Orchid. Like, guys, this is very, very bullish for Orchid, because I think we're going to have a pullback and retest our EMAs. But if we can hold above, we might even see continuation of this uptrend. Like, we broke above we made a higher high, broke above significant resistance. Now we have decreasing volume, which makes sense. But guys, bottom line is, with an altcoin bull run, I think pretty near, and this bullish price action, we're above our EMAs. I think Orchid has a good chance of falling down, finding support somewhere, and then going up for another leg up. But we'll have to see. I'm very optimistic about Orchid long term. Yeah, guys. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with this thing. It's really good to see Orchid show some signs of life. Now, in terms of TA, we're either forming some kind of wedge or ascending triangle here. Yeah. So we'll keep an eye out for an apex here. Yeah, let's see what our RSI is saying, like, on the hourly here. MACD. Oh yeah, we're very, see, that's what I'm saying. Bearish crossover, lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, see, we're gonna go down, guys. We're very likely to break down beneath this wedge, and like I suspected, we're very likely to fall down to retest our EMAs. Actually, let's see here. We may even fall down. I think we're likely to fall down to 25 cent. Guys, look at this. On our daily, which I think is the most relevant when it comes to Orchid, the 100 and the 50 is right there at the 25 cents and just under. So I think the most likely scenario is that we're going to fall down to the 25 cents, 24. We'll see if it holds support. If it doesn't hold support, that's no bueno. But if it holds support right there, that's muy bueno. I think if we can see Orchid fall down to 25 and hold support, continue there, and then go for another leg up, I'm going to be a very happy camper, because I think if that does in fact play out that way, we're very likely to see continuation of an uptrend here. So we'll see, y'all. Very exciting times. Yeah, okay, so before I wrap up this video, please like and subscribe, y'all. We're going to be putting out tons of time-sensitive, important technical analysis and cryptocurrency news all throughout the course of this bull run, so stick around, and please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. And before I wrap up here, let's talk about GSX. GSX is a brand new cryptocurrency, gold-backed cryptocurrency by Apollo Fintech. To explain what this is, Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. They claim half the profits from these gold mines will go to actually backing GSX, the cryptocurrency itself. So it's very interesting, gold-backed cryptocurrency. This is their timeline here. They currently offer a 34% sign-up bonus. They're working on a Binance listing. That was the thing that sold me. And they will be doing a token burn. Hell yeah, I like token burns. And then they offer yearly dividends as well. Now, those are what I see as the biggest pros when it comes to this. What I see as the biggest con is I don't know how well Apollo Fintech is running these mines. They may be running them well. They may not be. I say all this because if you do your own research, you want to participate in this idea, check out the description. There's a link where it says 5% sign-up bonus. If you sign up using that link down in the description, you get an additional 5% sign-up bonus, and I get a commission based off that. So this is almost like a sponsorship. I want to be very upfront and clear about that. So yeah, guys, please do your own research. I'm gonna leave a link down to their white paper, their website, and a video where I delve in depth to what I see as the major pros and cons with this project, although I summarized it pretty well there. And I want to implore everyone to please practice proper risk management, meaning don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. Practice portfolio diversification. I have my investments spread out over several different coins, but then again, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't listen to me, or do, up to you. And please, understand your own risk tolerances. Are you very risk averse? Are you not? I am not risk averse, so I decided to invest into something new. Investing into any new cryptocurrency carries some degree of risk. Now, I found this compelling enough that I decided to throw some of my money at it. But again, only you can decide what's best for yourself. Please, I want to encourage you to please do your own research. Now, if you do your own research and you like this idea, again, hit up that link down in the description. You'll get a 5% additional sign-up bonus if you sign up using that link. Also, if anyone is interested in buying cryptocurrency, if you're new, getting involved in a space, or if you've been around and you want to use an easy-to-use exchange, I always recommend Crypto.com. There's a link down in the description where you can sign up to Crypto.com. Again, Crypto.com is super streamlined, easy to use, simple, and you can buy crypto directly from a debit or credit card. So I always recommend Crypto.com to people. So if you're new, check them out. Also, if you just want to use an easy-to-use exchange, Crypto.com is great. And also, if you like me, you like what I do here on the channel, and you want to support myself, there's the option to donate cryptocurrency directly to myself. There's a bunch of addresses for different cryptos down in the description. Please only do so if you're well off and you can spare it. But there's that option out there. I appreciate the hell out of you if you do so. And for anyone who supports me in the channel in whatever way they do by liking and subscribing, I also appreciate the hell out of you also. And yeah, that is all. That is it, y'all. I'll talk to you later.